This is another video of coding with Python. I'm Chris Tronick, and let's begin. We're gonna learn about strings. So I'm gonna learn how to make the strings, gonna print the strings, and all sorts of that. All right. So let's begin of making them. So you can use double quotes or normal quotes. So, for example, hi, and normal quotes. So hi and hi. Now there's gonna be some situations where if you write like hello and you do like this, it's gonna be error. Now how to fix this, you use a backslash. So for example, hello backslash, and then you put world, and there we go, and it's fixed. And then you can use as when someone is using the sentence, for example, he said I went there. That's when the person said that, and then you have to end it. So each string begins and ends in quotes. So here, he said I went there. That went it because there's a double quotes. There's another string inside the string, as you see here, but this is just pronouncing the sentence as somebody is like saying, as you know. So when you're using backslash, that's called escaping a character. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna be moving on into printing. So as you know, like when you're normally printing, you're printing out documents and stuff. Here we're gonna print out words, as normally like printing. That's called a function. We'll be learning more about functions and how to create functions later on as we develop all our coding skills. So let's begin. So it's print, and then you have to put parentheses, and inside those parentheses you can put strings, as you know, double quotes, and then you say hi, and now it's gonna print out hi. It's gonna print out that string. Okay, so what if I said I wanted to print my folder, for example, C, and then this. So you go to Chris front slash download, backslash oh I did a mistake here. It's not that slash. When you're using files paths, that's not the slash you use. You use the slash. What? Oh, alright. Then as you see here, and we put nets, as you see, it's skipping a line. The reason of skipping the line is when you put backslash n, it's gonna make a new line. So to do this, if you don't want to do this, you just press R, you just put R in the end of the string. Don't put any of those things. For example, if I do this, and put R, now it won't. Something must be wrong here. But if you do that, it's not going to put a different line. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Alright. I put space. You can't have the space between there. Well, as you know, guys, you can't put space between R. So as you know. And you see here, it doesn't skip the line. So let's learn that you can't have spaces between them, or it's not gonna work. All right. What else here? So yeah, that's you normally use that when you're working with files, as I did now. So you can actually connect variables and strings together. So you can name like a, you can put a value of a variable of string. For example, if I said my first name, my first name is going to be equals to double quotes, Chris, alright, I'm just going to put first here, put first, and then you're going to put equals to my string, which is going to be equals to Chris. There we go. And you can add strings with other words. For example, if you put first, and then you put plus, and then you put another string together. So like Tron, and there we go, Chris Tronic. That's my YouTube channel. And you can actually multiply strings together. You can multiply strings. For example, if you put my first, and you can multiply, as you know, and 5 times. So it's gonna put Chris, 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 Chris. And let's make like a little fun of this. So let's make 100 and see what happens. Look, Chris, 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 Chris. It's just gonna keep doing that. Alright, guys. This is the end. Continue for the next episode, or again making more advanced coding. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, hit the notifications bell, join my Discord. Can be linked in the description. See ya.